I have learned to appreciate the role that everyone has on a team.
Along the way, with help of friends and mentors, I found out about a career in user experience.
Algorithmic self-assembly or programmable matter, just kind of cool things like that.
I feel like I've become more familiar with how APIs work.
There's something that you know that other people don't. Likewise, there's stuff that other people know that you don't.
So in terms of managing my time, it was just doing anything and everything that I felt like I could do and that would help me grow.
The deadline is in like 2 months from now, so it's fine. Like, you can fix it now.
You have to trust that over time, you keep putting in the work, it'll get you there.
My name is Frank Saldivar. I am a graduate of UTRGV in 2019 with my master's in computer science. I currently work for JP Chase in their AWM line of business, that's Asset and Wealth Management, and I've been working there since February 2020. The job kind of stumbled upon me. I was actually going to go to SHIP, the Society for Hispanic Professional Engineers Conference. I didn't want to go, and then I had a friend who kind of nudged me to go. I'd been talking to American Express for a while, and JP Morgan kind of swooped me in. I talked to an engineer there. They asked me for an interview, and we had back-to-back technical interviews and behavioral, and that night I got the offer. Something that I learned is, of course it's taught in school to work as a group, to collaborate with others, and that's important, but it is expounded upon greatly in the actual professional environment. You're always going to be leaning on somebody. There's something that you know that other people don't. Likewise, there's stuff that other people know that you don't. So you're always going to have to create a network for yourself and for others and try to really collaborate to tackle a problem together. My undergrad is actually in finance, and I'd worked in industry for about a year and a half. It was not really what I was looking for. I wanted something a little bit more technical, more analytical, and I had looked into the job description of a financial analyst, and they needed skills in Python and SQL. And in doing so, I took it upon myself to teach myself a little bit of those skills. And I looked at the time, looked at the clock, and I felt like if I was going to make a career move like this, that was probably the time. So I resigned from my job and I pursued a master's in computer science after taking some undergrad courses in CS to kind of get a foundation. So, yeah. The good thing about graduate studies is that all the classes are in the evening. So, unless you have other obligations, your morning and noon is free. I did spend a lot of time interview prepping, doing lead codes, talking to myself in the mirror about behavioral questions. So when I wasn't doing schoolwork and when I wasn't doing TA work, that was taken up with job interview prep, and I'd consider it a full-time job because it was just so much and you have to just grind through it. Two, actually. One would be developing a sense of fearlessness. If you're gonna fail hard and fail quickly and just move on. I think that there's a lot of trepidation that I've seen of people not wanting to fail, and you just have to go for it. That, in addition to developing a tenacity, just going on and on and on and not giving up, I think is going to be the key factor here. So those two non-technical skills would be what I'd consider is most important. study, and get good at what you do. Develop a passion for it. I think it's important to be good at computer science or computer engineering and have those problem-solving skills. But what's important is wanting to get better and wanting to improve your algorithm, improve your data structures, and I think that will kind of make you a cut above the rest. They're going okay. Things are pretty good at JP Morgan. They've treated me well. I feel like I will stay there for the foreseeable future. That being said, maybe in the future I'll be looking for different opportunities. I know that there's a trend to job hop in engineering and software engineering specifically. And that may be tempting, but for now I enjoy the stability of what I do, and I feel like I'm on track for more promotions down the line. So hopefully I get promoted until I can't do it anymore, and then maybe I'll switch around.